Hey, beautiful people. Hey, hey, hey. And thank you so much for coming back. So let's do some comb coils. We're going to do some comb coils, you and I. So yeah, keep watching. And excuse me, have you subscribers yet? So we're 20 seconds in the video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that notification bell. Thank you so much. Thank you in advance. Thank you so much on valuable information and valuable information, good content over here. So welcome to the Sincere Sandy channel. Thank you so much for coming back, my subscribers. Thank you. You don't know. I have to big you up in every video. I have to big you guys up. Okay, for all my newbies, hey, hey, hey. So some comb coils. So this is how I achieve my comb coils on natural hair. As you can see, he has dreadlocks. He has dreadlocks, and he is going to extend the locks a little further down on his head. So yeah, so his hair, right now, the length of the natural hair, I'll say it's about 1.5 inches, 1.5 inch, 2 inches, thereabout. So yeah, he'll be growing them out, and we'll be adding some dreadlocks there. Okay, so that's me. I'm sectioning his hair, and I'll be using my gel, my braid bond gel. It's thick, quality, top notch, and yeah, it's just separating some hair and make sure that the sides, the part. I'll be doing two rows, and yeah. So that's what I do. I have my barber comb, the comb with the it's like a asymmetrical kind of shape. It has that kind of shape. You'll see it has a very, very small teeth, and then it have kind of like a little bigger teeth. And that's all you need for the comb coils. I use the gel, the braid bond gel, because it's the quality. It's thick. It leaves absolutely no residue in your hair. I did spritz a little bit of water just to add extra moisture, and yeah, so I'll be just comb coiling the hair and just making them stay like this. Make it look neat, the lock style, make it look presentable. Okay, so yeah, it's quite easy to achieve. All you have to do is just take the comb and you just twirl it around the ends with the gel, and he has a nice texture to his natural hair, so not a lot of effort I had to put in. Some most times I have to keep redoing it because the texture of his hair is kind of smooth, and it's like a 3A. I would say a 3A. Yeah, he has that type of texture, and you know you have to focus when you're doing hair. You have to like focus on what's not when you so yeah, so 2 rows at the back, and yeah. So that's what I do. I take my comb and I just put it in like this. I put it in, and then I just spin it around, twirl it, twirl it, twirl it, make it tight from the root, and then make it come down from the end. And this one was giving me a little bit of trouble because the texture right here is super soft. It's really soft. So you'll see me go over that again. And yeah, so this is just basically how to achieve it. I did a little comb out to make it nice and smooth because I have to pull my comb all the way through to the ends. And yeah, to avoid the tugging of the hair, you gotta comb it out first, okay? Make sure the person's hair is all combed out. Even though we want dreadlocks and what's not, just make sure, because you have to pull the hair all the way, the comb all the way through. And I'm almost finished. So this is how I do it. Just take it around and just spin it, spin it, spin it. Now you can go over. You can go over if you want, if it's not tight enough for you. Yeah, just go over. And so this is what I do. So yes, my braid bond gel, a little bit of water, and you good to go. The comb coils is so super easy to achieve. And the length, the shorter your hair is much easier. it will be right. And it depends on the texture of your hair as well. So yeah, it depends on the texture of your hair. I know between 3A to 4C, the texture is superb. It's super easy to do. It's easy to do. And you see the comb that I'm using, the teeth is very like close together. The comb is super close together. The teeth, sorry. The teeth, they are super close together, and that's why it's so easy to achieve this comb coil method because of the teeth. I recommend using a very small, like extremely small teeth comb to do this, okay? The duration of this style, it can last as long as you want it to last. I am not going to give you a time frame, and it depends on how well you take care of the style. So let's say on your wash day, you want to wash your hair. When you have comb coils, starting your dreadlocks with comb coils, you're not supposed to apply You're not supposed to apply thick. When you're washing your comb coils, your hair, you're not, please desist from manipulating your hair like rough. Don't manipulate your hair too often. And when you're washing your hair, you just use your fingers. Use your fingers and just rub your hair, just gently. You're not applying a lot of pressure or anything like that. You gently like just rubbing your hair, just rubbing the shampoo through, and that's that. You don't expect to if you want your comb coils to last long when washing, you can't comb them out. You can't use any comb. You can't use any sort of harsh manipulation and expect them to last, okay? So yeah, that's another tip for you to keep your dreadlocks, the comb coils, nice and neat for a longer period of time. Depends on the texture of your hair. And if you can't do it yourself, go to a professional, someone who knows exactly how to wash your hair when you have comb coils. Okay, so yeah, so always thank you so much for watching my video. Like, share, comment. Let's interact. Let's ask me any queries, okay, and I'll be sure to answer you. Leave your comments, please, and I'll catch you in my next video. All right, so God bless. All right, so the Vigral mousse, I know I said I was going, but the Vigral mousse, I'll be using that, the olive oil multivitamins. I'll be using that, and then I'll be blow drying them, just adding a little bit, add a lot more moisture, and yeah, I'll be blow drying them, and then yeah, and I'll be spraying them with my olive oil sheen. Sheen. Okay, and yeah, so that's it. So that's how you do comb coils. That's how this is my way of doing it. If you have any other method of doing comb coils, let me know. And I know that's the reason why it's called comb coils, because a comb was used. Okay, so catch you in my next video. Peace out.